All right, what's going on today, you guys? So today I want to do a little comparison between the KRK Rokit studio monitors and the M Audio studio monitors. More specifically, the KRK Rokit Generation 4 8s and the M Audio BX8 D3s. If you don't know about either of these companies, what is important to note is that KRK and M Audio are both known for providing producers, mix engineers, and musicians with very, very affordable, budget-friendly gear in general. KRK Systems released some of their first monitors back in 2003 with the Generation 1s, and since then they've come a very, very long way in terms of design, in terms of innovation, in terms of sound. And M Audio began producing their monitors back in 1999. They do have, a little bit of a 4-year advantage on KRK. Although honestly, I think they're kind of both still neck and neck when it comes to just overall quality, overall sound, etc. So the thing, let's hop into this little comparison and see what the differences are. So actually, I want to start with the back over here because I think what you're going to find most different is on the back. So for the KRK Rokits and the G4s, you do have this little onboard DSP-driven EQ right here. And the cool thing about this is it gives you a more accurate way to adjust the settings of your monitors to your room, which is great, especially if you're someone who's working in an untreated environment and you're finding that maybe your bass response isn't as heavy as you want it, or your treble or whatever. Being able to adjust it right there is really, really nice. You do have this volume input right here, the volume knob right there, which is easy to adjust, as well as this balanced input, which can fit XLR and 1/4 inch. For the M Audios, you do have an XLR input, so you don't have the option to use a 1/4 inch, which makes them a little bit less versatile, although I use an XLR anyway, so it might not be an issue for most people. And then in terms of EQing and room tuning, you do have a small switch which allows you to adjust the acoustic sound the acoustic balance in your studio, which is really nice, but I wouldn't say as high quality as the KRK systems. Both of these are bi-amplified, and both of them also come with Kevlar woofers, which is really great. This means that both of the monitors have really, really nice tight bass response. And they're great at accurately producing low-end frequencies. Where I think M Audio wins is actually with the tweeters. They're able to use this this computer kind of analyzed system inside that helps to create a wider sound space. So essentially, you just get a larger stereo field when you're listening. You don't have to be sitting right in the smaller sweet spot to really take in all the sound, which is great. So I think M Audio wins there in the high frequency category. Where KRK wins is they have these nice front firing bass ports. The bass frequencies sound really, really nice and tight. And they do have a wider frequency response overall that goes down to 36 hertz, while the M Audios go down to 37, I believe, and up to 22, while the KRKs go up to 40 kilohertz. Overall, I think they're both great monitors. I think if I had to pick between them, I would definitely go with the KRK Generation 4s now. I think they just have a lot more to offer for the price. Alrighty, guys, that was it. My little comparison between the KRK Rokits and the M Audio BX8 D3s. If you guys have any questions or any insights, feel free to leave them in the comments. All right, take it easy.